It's looking muddy. But I'm at the line to the ferry to go to Newfoundland. And there's a little fox. Took my bike in the sand and it dumped over. Big long bridge. Holy moly. Raining pretty good now and sunshine. I am coming up to the US border crossing from Nebraska from New Brunswick into Maine. Welcome to the United States of America. I suppose I should turn these off now. I may get in trouble. I pulled over in order to get a picture of the state sign. For me, it is a record of being here and that I've made it this far. Bangor, Maine. After Labor Day, so I'm seeing a lot of American flags. Americans like their flags. US flag, POW flag, open flag, hi, I'm gay flag. They love their flags. I am coming up to another toll I'll have to pay. Here we are. Good, how are you? How much?
$4.
Even for the motorbike?
Yeah, well, they get you with the axles.
4 for you, sir.
You be safe.
Thank you.
Up there.
Oh, I know. I'm in New Hampshire. I didn't even see a welcome to New Hampshire sign. I feel cheated. Hello. Thanks for calling me honey.
Are you going or coming?
I am going to Key West. Thank you. Bye-bye. Welcome to Massachusetts. And I didn't see one from New Hampshire. Oh well, it was only about 10 miles in New Hampshire. This camera in my hand was up there. And all of a sudden I found it laying right there about going 55 miles an hour down the highway. Ay, ay, ay. I could have lost it. Haverhill, something. Dueling churches across the street from each other. I found the scenery changing the closer I got to New York City. You could be in a town, then a tunnel a little while later, onto some woodlands, but the constant was the steadily increasing traffic. New York traffic. Don't like stopping quickly because the people behind me not paying attention as much. I have extra brake light back there and I have a brake light that flashes to get people's attention. So sometimes I hit the brake and back off and back on again so it flashes again. Says I'm entering Manhattan. Well, Google Maps said this was the fastest way through here. Scooting up between the lanes of traffic. don't like doing that. I think it's rude. It's my bike with the saddlebags on it. I have fat hips, and sometimes these fat hips may not get through narrow doorways. This bridge is a huge bridge. The Suburban ahead of me is all over the road. Guess I'm going to the upper level. Thought I would take a little trip down Meadow Lane. I used to live here 30 years ago. They had a nor'easter storm come in, flooded up to the bench seat. So they rode off thousands, hundreds of thousands of vehicles because it's saltwater. It's just 5 blocks from the ocean, Manasquan, New Jersey. I'm on the Jersey Shore. Look at all these houses. Just go on and on and on. These big ones here are on the beach. How do you stand out? There's one big one after another. This is Cape May. Hour wait, not quite, for the ferry, and then it's an hour 20 to cross from the ferry. Yeah, that's rocking quite a bit. And I get motion sickness. Oh. Yuck. Delaware. No shoulder for the road at all. Gotta make sure I'm paying attention. Keep an eye out for deer and wildlife. And dogs and cats. And rats and elephants. And unicorns. Chesapeake Bay Bridge and Tunnel.
Have a good day.
Thank you. It's a big difference from New Jersey and New York to the politeness here. They didn't jump ahead when it came time to merge. There were people cutting me off in New York and New Jersey. They didn't care I was on a motorbike. But here, much nicer. Oh, there is the big long bridge. Holy moly. Holy moly. Moly, moly, moly. That's a lot of water, a weight of water. At sea level, water weighs approximately 8 pounds per gallon. That's a whole lot of gallons up there and a whole lot of water, a whole lot of tons of water. Virginia Beach, Virginia. Pouring rain. I can't see if there's any pooling. Windscreen's fogging up. Oops. Oh, my boots are soaked now. Poop. Well, I'm in North Carolina. They have Wi-Fi here. So, had a problem with my bike. Another heavy rain today, and it wouldn't start after getting gas. So I just stuck it in 4th gear and pushed it along. Otherwise, when I hit the start button, there was absolutely nothing. So that's the workaround.
in my tent, in the campground. Got in late. Super hot and sweaty with all my gear on. I think I'm feeling the effects of it this morning. I didn't pay last night. I talked to someone and I can't pay until 11 this morning. It's going to be a late start for me. Oh, this is my tent. There. Lots of mess because that's who I am. Had a little problem. My mount for this, and it was falling out all of a sudden. And I broke this off, so I put a new one on. Now that I checked this, I have broken it off as well. I fixed that, and I think I have it. That is in case it falls off again and it catches. It had fallen off a couple times and landed right there while going down the highway at about 55 miles an hour. Twice.
Hoping to get on the road by 7:30 this morning. Was not so, as I have 650 kilometers to do. As I put on my helmet this morning, I realized I hadn't washed it out like I planned to last night. It was beginning to smell. It only smells for the first couple of minutes that you put it on and you forget about it. And that was only about half of the no parking signs before I turned on the video. Wow, they're pretty serious about that no parking. Almost got a bug in my mouth. Heading towards Miami. This makes it hot, but chose to go without my rain gear because it's just like a sauna with the rain gear. It's really, really hot, and I get just as wet because I'm sweating. I keep getting closer to the clouds. Maybe I will luck out. Maybe not. I've seen a couple of lightning bolts as well. At least it's cooler. Not so bad over there. And pretty good over there. But straight down the road, not so good. The issue with having to keep the visor open keeps it from fogging up. But the rain gets inside the visor then. There's another accident up here. Fogging up again. Raining pretty good now, and sunshine breaking through off to this side. There, the inside of the visor. Now some blue sky there. Hoping the rain has done its thing for me today. Adios for now. mapmando.adventures